In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search on Substack. If you're new to Substack or just want a quick refresher, this guide will help you find the content and creators you care about in a few simple moves without any fuss. Start by opening Substack, either in your web browser or the mobile app. You can browse even if you're not signed in, but using your usual device and keeping it updated will make everything smoother. Once the homepage loads, let your eyes drift to the top left corner. That's where the search field lives, typically labeled Search Substack, often alongside a small magnifying glass icon. On smaller screens, you might see the search icon near the main menu. A quick tap will reveal the same search box. With the search field in view, click or tap inside it and begin typing. You can search for words to find topics and posts, or enter the name of an account if you're looking for a specific writer or publication. Be as clear and specific as you can. For example, instead of a single broad word, try a short phrase that captures what you're interested in. If you're hunting for a particular account, typing the full name or a unique part of it usually narrows things down quickly. As you type, you may see suggestions appear. These can help you jump straight to a likely match. After entering your terms, press Enter or tap the search button to see results. You'll typically get a mix of relevant posts and creators tied to what you typed. Take a moment to scan the titles, preview text, and names to identify the best match. If a result looks promising, open it to read more or explore that creator's page. If the results aren't quite right, adjust your wording slightly. Try a different synonym, add a clarifying term, or correct any spelling. Small tweaks can make a big difference. If you can't spot the search box, make sure your app is updated or try using a desktop browser where the layout is easiest to recognize. And if your initial search feels too crowded, refine it with one or two more descriptive words. Conversely, if nothing shows up, remove a word or use a more general term to widen the net. That's all there is to it. Open Substack, locate the search in the top left corner, and use it to look up words or accounts. With just these basics, you can quickly discover new posts, writers, and publications tailored to your interests.